What is going on, everybody? Today we are going over United Health Group, ticker symbol UNH. If you don't know who they are, you should, because they are the number one biggest healthcare insurance provider in the US. Massive healthcare play, solid dividend as well. But the price today is $333. We're gonna find two things in this video. First thing we're gonna find is the fair value of the stock according to Warren Buffett, as described in the book The Intelligent Investor by his mentor Benjamin Graham. And the second thing that we're gonna find is the price that actually Warren Buffett will be a buyer, long-term hold for United Health Group, and I will be a long-term holder if we get to this price as well. Warren Buffett likes to stay super conservative and get 33% discount on an already discount stock. So we're gonna see, and let's get to it. Yeah, let's start with technical. First things first, earnings in January 20, about 2 months from now. So there's still time. There's no rush going into this stock, but we'll see the fair value. Other than that, it came crashing down from the price today around 350, came in March like all stocks to below 200. Mega quick come, but look at this, from April till May it went back up from 200 to 350. That's like a 60% climb to all-time high again. Pretty awesome. Just show you how bullish and how much money the health insurance sector in America makes, and they're number one, so that's a super bullish stock. Hit resistance around 340, where we are today, 350, let's say. The yellow is the 50-day moving average, and currently it trades right here below the 50-day moving average, which is a little bearish sign. With that being said, it's still trading in the super low and tight range, about 350 to 330, something like that. As long as it's between those lines, nothing major is happening. Other than that, there's a little buying in here, and the power balance of power right here is super, not super, but it is green. Basically a bullish, a neutral. I see bullish and bullish, but I see bearish below the 50-day, and still trading in a range, tight range, but still a range. But let's see the fair value of the price. And yeah, let's go back to our Excel. I'm in Yahoo Finance, and the first item that I need to put in my Excel is this one, EPS TTM, earning per share trailing 12 months. Pretty high, 17.4, 17 bucks per share. That's higher than Google. Google, if you saw my video the other day, gives you like 3% per share as earnings. This one gives you, I don't know, 4%, no, 2%. I apologize, 2%. So it's less than Google. Google is still insanely undervalued. Go watch the video that I will link in the end of this one. Either way, they give you a dividend of 1.5%, pretty awesome. Daily yearly target 370, which is another 10-12% from here. As you can see, Yahoo Finance gives you a 5% discount, so also mid fair value. So basically they're saying that it's worth 350, another 5% from here. Let's see what Warren Buffett says. So we're gonna put the number 1741 in our Excel. I'm going here to EPS, earning per share. I'm gonna put 1741. That's a number that we got, pretty awesome. After that, we got PE of 8.5. That's a constant. By the way, guys, if you want to check any stock that you have in your portfolio or want to buy in the future, to check the fair value according to Warren Buffett, you have two options. You can read the 600 plus pages book, The Intelligent Investor, and do it manually, or you can pay 10 bucks, join the Patreon membership. Description is down below, or 2 cups of Starbucks coffee, as I like to drink, and get this formula that I put a link a couple of weeks back, and join our members and make some money, sell some options for income, buy some cryptos, all that good stuff, all for 10 bucks a month. Let's keep going. Next item on my list is growth. I need to find the growth rate of UNH, United Health Group. So I'm gonna go back to Yahoo Finance to find exactly that. Yeah, Next item on our list is the growth rate. I need to find the growth rate for UNH, United Health Group, in the next 5 years. So I'm gonna go here to Yahoo Finance, back to the analysis tab this time. Okay, I'm gonna scroll all the way down. There we go. Ta-da. And in here, this is the number that I'm looking for. The next 5-year growth per annual, pretty high, 12.69%. The last 5 years they grew by 23% per year. That's crazy. From what I heard, and I'm not a member of them, I think you need to pay like $250 a month subscription just to be a member, like average, not average, like private insurance. I don't know. I'm not paying $250 a month just to have health insurance. But if they are the #1 provider, they have tons of customers, and if the average price that the customer pays a month is $250, well, look at Netflix for about $15 a month. That's just insane. Let's see if everything is correct. 12.69. Let's see if we got something else. 9.6 next year. 10%, 17%. So I'm gonna stick with this number. 12.69. I'm gonna put this number in the Excel. Back in the Excel, I'm gonna go to the growth, and I'm gonna put 12.69. Okay, and after that we got 2 times the growth, number 2. That's a constant. If you see the instructions here, constant yellow, I'm not touching that. Corporate bond 4.4. We're gonna divide this entire formula that we're gonna find by 4.4 and get the fair value of this stock. Next item on our list that we need to find out is the AAA bond yield of United Health Group, and in order to do so, I'm gonna Google UNH bond yield. Yeah, that's UNH corporate bond. See here, there's a couple of options. I'm looking for the highest number. Got in here 387, got in here 315, 375, and this is the highest, 445. The higher the number, the more conservative my result will be. So I'm gonna put the number 445 in the Excel. Okay, let's go and see if we got anything else in here. Something crazy? No. So I'm gonna put 445. So I'm back in the Excel. I'm gonna put AAA bond 4.45. And once I click enter, I will find 2 things. Number 1, the fair value of United Health Group according to Warren Buffett, and the price that he will be, not the buyer, but the fair value buyer. And the second thing we're gonna find is the actual discount price that Warren Buffett will be a buyer, which is another 33% from the fair value. So we're gonna see that in a second. Before I click enter, guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Ziv, also known as Finance After 40, and while I am new to YouTube, have about 15,000 plus community members that are following me on TikTok, as well as Patreon that you can join from the description below. Free options for membership. Basic option, $10 a month, gives you an access to this Excel, plus tons of other stuff, meaning my crypto portfolio. Go watch all the articles, video, and all that stuff that I did about crypto, as well as selling options for income. If you want more, if you want hedge fund portfolio, more advanced option strategies like iron condor selling, iron butterfly selling, and all that stuff, check the second tier hedge fund portfolio. And if you have no issue with the funds, feel free to check the third tier and do one-on-one with me on a monthly basis, on a weekly basis, I apologize, so we can dig deeper and help you become wealthy long term. Let's go back to our Excel, and if you want to join Patreon, of course, link is in the description. And don't go crazy, start with the $10 a month, that's all. Don't go straight to the 3rd level. Okay, let's go back to the Excel, guys. Yeah, so I'm back in the Excel. AAA bond yield 445. I'm gonna click enter. I'm gonna find fair value of United Health Group. Are you ready? Dum da da dum da 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 dum. Ha! Whoa! Look at this! Wow! Yeah, there's a reason. If you're the #1 provider and people are paying you $250 a month and you have like gazillions of customers, then you're not worth $300. You're worth double than that. So fair value of United Health Group, guys, look at this, 583. It's almost double than that. And the price that Warren Buffett will be a buyer is 390. And we are at 330. That's 20% from here. Pretty awesome. Technical is not that good. It needs to break 350 in order to run. I don't think it will go below 300. Either way, long term, according to Warren Buffett, this stock is first cheap, and second, it is a buy. Not a financial advice, of course. Look at this, 333 today, 390 is when we buy, and 583. Let's just do a quick math. What's our upside? 333 divided by 583. We got an upside, 100 minus 57, 43%. Yeah, that's a pretty big upside. That's 43% from here. Put I don't know, 10,000, cash out at 14,000. Why not? And if that's the case, most likely I'm going long with the Patreon members. Probably take some dip in the money, 300 calls. Who knows? Either way, I'm gonna do more research about them. But solid stock, pays dividend, whatever the case, and it's cheap. According to Warren Buffett, it is cheap, even now when Dow Jones is at $30,000 levels. If I bring you guys any sort of value, do two things for me. Number one, click the subscribe button, smash notification bell, all that stuff that you hear every time. Do that so you won't miss more videos. And the second thing, write in the comments below which stock would you like me to do next. United Health Group was a request of one of the comments in the previous videos, so you're welcome. I hope you watched this video, and yeah, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you very much. Yeah.